Good afternoon. Today we discuss about environmental aspect of energy. Environmental aspects of energy. Okay. Environmental aspect of energy. Okay. Environment literally means environment means surrounding. Okay. Environment, surrounding. Environment means surrounding. Air, soil, water are the main constituents of the environment. Nature has originally provided them to human beings in clean form. However, with passage of time, their quality is continuously being degraded due to various man-made reasons. Okay. During every energy conversion process, some energy is expelled by the energy conversion system. Okay. Air, soil, water are the main constituents. Air, soil, water are the main constituents of the environment. Okay. Another, the present trend is to have a trade-off between the two. The future seems to be in favor of developing our renewable and environment friendly energy resources. Another one thing is ecology. Ecology, very important term. Ecology deals with the relationship between living organism such as man, animal, plants and vegetation and the environment. Okay, deals with the relationship between living organism, between living organisms man, such as man, animal, plants and vegetation and the environment. Okay, living organism and environment. Okay. Another one is the normally nature has self-cleaning capability and recycle or renews its sources through various processes such as thus maintaining state of equilibrium. The water cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle are well-known example of this. However, with human interference exceed natural limits, the ecological balance gets disturbed. Okay, human interface exceeds when human interface exceeds natural limits. Okay, natural limits, the ecological balance gets disturbed. The ecological balance gets disturbed. Okay, there should be a balance or there should be some boundary. Okay, this is the thing. another one thing is very important, greenhouse effect. Very important thing, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. So the greenhouse is an enclosure having transparent glass panes or sheets as shown in figure. It behaves differently for incoming visible radiation and outgoing infrared long wave radiation. Okay, so the greenhouse is an enclosure having transparent glass panes or sheet. Okay. Okay, this is the transparent glass sheet. Okay, like that. That is the greenhouse. Sun. Greenhouse. So the greenhouse is an enclosure having a transparent glass panes or sheet as shown in figure. It behaves differently for incoming visible radiation and outgoing infrared radiation. Okay, for incoming visible, okay, for incoming visible or such as short wave radiation and okay, and outgoing infrared radiation. Outgoing infrared radiation. Okay, it is transparent for incoming solar radiation, allows entry of sunlight, becomes largely opaque for reflected infrared radiation from the Earth's surface. Okay, another one, it maintains a controlled warmer environment. Very important, it maintains a controlled warmer environment inside the growth of plants. Warmer environment inside, okay, warmer environment inside for growth of plants. For growth of plants. Okay, environment for growth of plants. In places where climate is very cold, the CO2 develops present ground and the globe in the atmosphere behaves similar to a glass pane and forms a big global greenhouse. This tends to prevent the escape of heat from the earth, which leads to global warming. Very important. Okay, CO2 envelope present around the globe in the atmosphere behaves similar to a glass pane and form a big global greenhouse. This tends to prevent the escape of heat from the earth. to prevent the escape of heat from the earth. Okay, escape of heat from the earth. Okay, which leads to global warming. This phenomenon is known as greenhouse effect. At present, its concentration in the atmosphere by volume 385 ppm. It is due to this effect that the earth maintains an average surface temperature 15 degrees centigrade, that is hospitable or to life. In the absence of this layer, the earth would be frozen planet at about minus 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, in the absence of this layer, earth will be, in the absence of this layer, earth will be frozen at minus 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, earth will be frozen at minus 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, all these gases, okay, apart from CO2, other harmful gases include methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride and water vapor. All these gases are known as greenhouse gases. The CO2 emission from developed countries accounts for 82% of total greenhouse gas emission of the world. Okay, another one is the consequence. Another one is the consequence of global warming. Consequence of global warming. Global warming caused mainly due to the emission of excessive CO2. Excessive CO2 due to burning of fossil fuel in industry. Due to burning of fossil fuel in industry. Okay, fossil fuel in industry or burning fuel. Okay, fossil fuel or burning fuel in industry. Burning of wood also due to agricultural practices. This trends leading to the melting of polar snow caps, which accounts for more than 90% of the world's ice. Melting of the polar snow caps would in turn increase the level of ocean. Melting of polar snow caps polar snow caps. Okay, melting of the polar snow caps would in turn increase the level of ocean. Okay, melting of polar snow caps increase the level of ocean. Okay, increase of level of ocean. Okay, during the last 100 years, the earth temperature has increased about half a degree Celsius, and sea level have risen 6 to 8 inches, that is 15 to 20 centimeter. Experts have predicted more frequent and severe heat waves, more intense tropical cyclones, change in rainfall patterns, melting of ice and glaciers at mountains, causing flood, followed by decline of water supplies and an increase in incidence of vector-borne disease like malaria. Okay, around during the last 100 years, during the last 100 years, the earth temperature has increased about half a degree Celsius. Earth average temperature increases. Earth's average temperature increases about half a degree Celsius. Half a degree Celsius. Okay, Earth average temperature half a degree Celsius, and the water level rises. Water level rises. Water level rises 6 to 8 inches. That is 15 to 20 centimeter. 15 to 20 centimeter. Okay, 15 to 20 centimeter. The earth is already showing many signs of worldwide climate change. Average temperature have climbed 1.4 degree. Okay, 1.4 degree Fahrenheit. Another one, the rate of warming increasing. Okay, rate of warming increasing. Earth is already showing many signs of worldwide climate change. Okay, first one, average temperature have climbed. Okay, average temperature has climbed. Average temperature has climbed. Okay, average temperature has climbed. Okay, another one is the rate of warming is increasing. Rate of warming is increasing. Rate of warming is increasing. Third parameter, glacier and mountain snow are rapidly melting. Glacier and mountain snow are rapidly melting. Glaciers and mountain snow are rapidly melting. Okay. Now another one thing. Now our next topic is pollution. Indoor pollution is the mainly caused due to use of conventional sources. Okay, conventional energy in rural areas. Okay, indoor pollution. About 5 lakh children and women die from disease caused due to the indoor air pollution each year. This requires the need of improved household stove and to reduce indoor pollution. Okay, the need of improved household stove. The indoor pollution due to household stove burning etc. Household stove burning, etc. Okay. Another one thing, outdoor pollution. Outdoor pollution. Outdoor pollution. Outdoor pollution is mainly caused due to the use of fossil fuel. Use of fossil fuel. Okay. Emissions from fossil fuel based plants degrade the environment, cause various other problems. Remedy. Use of fossil fuel should be slowly curtailed. Remedy. What are the remedy? Use of fossil fuel should be slowly curtailed. Use of fossil fuels should be slowly curtailed. Okay, slowly should be slowly curtailed. Okay, slowly curtailed. As well as less polluting technologies should be employed for use of instead of fossil fuels. Clean alternative fuels such as hydrogen should be used. Electric vehicle or battery operated vehicle should be used in place of IC engine based vehicle. Okay, so electric vehicles. Second one, electric vehicles or battery operated vehicles. Battery operated vehicle should be introduced. Third point. Okay, third point, clean alternative fuel such as hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen should be used. Clean alternative fuel. Alternative fuel such as hydrogen should be used. Okay, such as hydrogen, clean alternative fuel such as hydrogen should be used. Okay, अच्छा, another one thing, okay, another one thing, various pollutant and their harmful effect. Okay, various pollutant and their harmful effect. First one, various pollutant, the particulate matter, various pollutants and their harmful effect. Various pollutant and their harmful effect. First on particular matter, the presence of particular matter reduces sunlight, reduces visibility. A level of 100 microgram per meter cube results in respiratory problem. That reduces the presence of particular matter, reduces sunlight. Second one, reduces visibility. Reduces visibility. A level above 100 microgram per meter cube result in respiratory problem. Carbon dioxide is ordinarily not considered as a toxic gas. It is essential for photosynthesis and production of essential oxygen. Okay, CO2 essential for photosynthesis. Essential for photosynthesis. Okay. Carbon monoxide, due to incomplete burning of carbon, due to incomplete burning of carbon, incomplete burning of carbon. Okay, carbon. Another one is the presence of SO2 causes respiratory diseases, causes acid rain. Acid rain. Okay, causes acid rain, causes torsion of metals. Okay, this one. Another one thing is harmful effect of another one, NOx, nitrous oxide. Oxidize by oxides of nitrogen such as N2O, NO. Nitrogen, N2O, NO2, NO. Okay, NO2, NO causes various harmful effect, causes respiratory and cardiovascular illness, deprive the body tissues of oxygen. Okay, so another one thing is causes respiratory problem, causes respiratory problem, causes respiratory problem. Second one, it deprives the body tissues of oxygen. Of oxygen. Okay, body tissues of oxygen, as well as it also forms acid in lungs. Okay, okay, the safe limit is 100 microgram per meter cube. Safe limit okay, তাহলে 100 microgram per meter cube. This is the safe limit. Okay, okay, up to this today we are discussing. Okay, discussed this one. It deprived, these are the several harmful effect of different gases. Okay, our thank you. This is the end of today's class. Okay, thank you.